Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to install Groovy Music Bot on Discord. Firstly, to add a bot to Discord server, you need to get an administrator role. Now after you do that, and before inviting Groovy, it's helpful to create dedicated channels for music like text channel or voice channel. Now, visit the Groovy bot website and click Add to Discord. Select the server you want to add Groovy to and confirm permissions, and Groovy will appear as a member in your server. Join a voice channel where you want the music to play and have your friends join if they want to listen together. In the text channel for bot commands, just type /play song and the song name. Press tab to autocomplete commands and Groovy will start playing the requested song in the voice channel. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.